Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Introduction to Internet of Things, Week 10, Assignment 10. So the first question is DLNA used in HAN standard expands to. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, Digital Living Network Alliance, DLNA. So the answer of our first question is B. Now the second question is which property best characterize V2X? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, V2X follows a distributed architecture where contents are widely distributed over the network. So the answer of our second question is B. Now the third question is which set correctly captures smart home functionality? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, smart homes, health, monitoring, security and safety. So the answer of our third question is C. Now the fourth question is which are valid type of sensing? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, information sensing in smart parking, stationary, mobile. So the answer of our fourth question is C. Now the fifth question is which layers are part of the Zigbee stack? So these are the options. And the answer of our fifth question is C. Network and MAC. Now the sixth question is smart parking primarily reduce traffic dash. So these are the option. Mobility area analysis congestion. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, smart parking reduces traffic congestion. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now the seventh question is about home area network. Consider multi-protocol gateways bridge non-IP to IP. Second, wired HAN is low cost. Third, wireless HAN makes implementation easy. Which of these is correct? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is D. First, second and third. Now the eighth question is which statements about smart health are true. First, low cost and portable. Second, allows remote check ups and diagnosis. Third, effortless health monitoring. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, smart health, low cost portable at home medical diagnosis kits, remote check ups and diagnosis, on body sensors for effortless and accurate health monitoring. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Now, the ninth question is phases of intelligent connected vehicle ICV development include. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question nine, phases of ICV development 2G, 3G, 4G light. So LTE. So the answer of our ninth question is C. Now the tenth question is in the ad hoc domain of VANET vehicles are. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our tenth question. So question 10th, ad hoc domain, the vehicles OBUs are mobile. So the answer of our 10th question is B. Now the 11th question is domains of VANET include. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our 11th question. So question 11, VANET's domains in vehicle ad hoc infrastructure. So the answer of our 11th question is A. Now the 12th question is at which data fusion stage are multiple classifier outputs combined? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our 12th question. So question 12, stages of data fusion, decision level, ensemble of decisions. So the answer of our 12th question is D. Now the 13th question is the body and brain architecture consists of how many layers? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our 13th question. Body and brain architecture, three layered architecture. So the answer of our 13th question is C. Now the 14th question is which statement about smart home infrastructure is correct? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our 14th question. So question 14th, smart home infrastructure consists of seamless integration of various devices using wired wireless technology. So the answer of our 14th question is B. Now the 15th question is intelligent connected vehicle ICV communication is based on. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our 15th question. So question 15, ICVs, it is based on dedicated short range communication DSRC technology. So the answer of our 15th question is A. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.